Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to talking something about this MIDI headphone, that how you can easily connect this with your laptop or computer. Firstly, I'm going to telling you that without Bluetooth how you can connect, and how you can connect after that Bluetooth via Bluetooth. First of all, there is an option over here for 3.5 mm jack, that is called audio jack. Then what we have to do, it comes with a it will come with a audio cable, aux cable, and you have to just connect it over here. And after that, the second audio cable you have to just insert into your laptop or computer. You can easily connect this Bluetooth headphone with your laptop or computer without even Bluetooth, and without even if this device has not any power. Now if we want to connect it with via Bluetooth, what we have to do, we have to just do a thing. First of all, we have to just go to our laptop over here. I'm going to telling over here, we have to just click on this arrow button over here below that, and then we have to click on this Bluetooth option over here double time, and after that you will see an option like this. What we have to do right now, we have to just long press this power button of MIDI Saxo until it says in started power mode, says it is in pairing mode, and it start blinking red and blue rapidly. Now what we have to do, we have to just keep pressing it for few seconds, not left, and now it says in pairing mode. After that you have to just leave that button, and now what we have to do, we have to just go to our laptop, and over there click on this add a Bluetooth or other device. When we click on this, it will show something like options like this. Then we have to choose this upper option, Bluetooth mic, keyboard, pen or audio system. Then we have, when we click on this, it will start searching for the device, and we found device over here whichever we want to pair with this system. There is a one Realme device is over there, but I just want to connect with this MIDI Saxo Bluetooth headphone. And you can see it saying Bluetooth headset. When its name is cleared, it says it names MIDI Saxo. Then we have to just click on this option, and it start connecting, and it red and blue light stops, and it starts just after few seconds blue light on only. Now it says that device has been connected into your laptop. Now what we have to do, if we want to play some music, we can easily do so by over here. As you can see, I'm playing that music on this my laptop, and it is coming on this Saxo. If we want to increase the volume from over here, then we have to just long press this volume button over here. Keep it pressing until it shows volume is increasing, and okay, I'm pressing it, and you will feel the audio levels over there. As you can see, it is increasing, and now if we want to decrease this sound, it is decreasing. And I'm using this with this Saxo Bluetooth headphone. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. If you want to stop the music, you can easily do by Saxo's power button over here, and it is very easy. By just press and it stops, and when you press it starts. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Not forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.